Welcome to a day in my life as an international hospitality business management student studying at Manchester Metropolitan University. Today we had an industry visit and it was at Kimpton Clocktower Hotel. So this is the hotel. It's stunning, as you can see. We do a lot of these industry visits within the course. We've been to the Mottram Hall, Hilton, so it's just good to get real industry experience. This is me and my friend Aman. We're just waiting for the general manager Johan to say hello, and that's Johan. And then we treat ourselves to this water. And they also gave us some teas, coffees and pain au chocolats, which was really nice of them. So this is me and my friend Shalianne enjoying the coffees. We felt like such businesswomen. This is Diane, who is our course leader, and she's really lovely. Anyway, we went for a tour around the hotel. This is me strutting my stuff up the stairs. It was a corporate events module, so we went to see their event spaces. We also got to see their bedrooms, and they were really nice. I mean, very expensive, but very, very nice. And then we went to the executive suite, which is just amazing. That's me and my friend Julian again. And we just went around the whole hotel, really, which is a nice experience. This is the bar, the Refuge Bar, if you're in Manchester. Go and visit it because it's stunning. And then after, we did a group activity and we actually pitched our ideas later on in the day to the GM and all of the heads of staff there, which was very nerve-wracking, but it was so fun. And then after, they were so kindly gave us food. We had feta salads, we had rice, we had potatoes, the hummus, amazing, so good. The potatoes are my favourite, actually. And then this is just us chilling after the whole thing. A very long but very fun day. And this is me testing out the potatoes. You can see that I really like those potatoes. And we also got some more drinks as well. And then we were sad because it was nearly ending. But we have so much fun at these industry visits. It's just like an incredible experience. This is us posing by the reception. These trips give us so many career opportunities, chances to meet all of the industry leaders. This is us leaving. We had so much fun, and thank you, Manchester Met.